In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate email text to a different language in Outlook. If you work with people around the world or receive messages in languages you don't speak, Outlook has a built-in translation feature that makes it quick and reliable to understand those emails without leaving your inbox. Start by opening Outlook. You can use the desktop app or the web version. The process is almost identical. Next, open the email you want to translate in its own window or tab. On desktop, the easiest way is to double-click the message so it pops out into a separate window. In the browser, select the message to open it in a dedicated tab. This step helps reveal the full set of options you'll need. With the message open, look at the Home tab in the message window. You'll find a Translate option there. If you don't see it immediately, it may be grouped under More options depending on your layout, or you can right-click directly on the message body to access the Translate command from the context menu. Both routes take you to the same place. Choose Translate Message. Outlook will display a pop-up window with language choices. It usually detects the original language for you, and you can pick the language you want to read it in from the list. Select the target language and confirm. Outlook will process the text and replace the body of the email with a translated version, keeping the layout intact as much as possible. This is great for quickly understanding the content without copying and pasting into another tool. If you need to compare the translation with the original, use the Show Original option to switch back. This toggle is handy when you want to verify specific terms or proper names. When you're done, you can switch between the original and translated views as often as you like. For ongoing control, open Translation Preferences. Here you can set defaults for how Outlook handles future emails. You can choose to always translate certain languages automatically, never translate languages you're comfortable with, or ask each time so you stay in control. These preferences help streamline your workflow if you regularly receive messages in multiple languages. That's it. Thanks for watching.